Welcome to the Fortnite main menu. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change aim assist settings for controller players. First, click your avatar icon in top right corner and open settings. At the top, navigate through the icons until you find the one shaped like a controller. That's the controller settings tab. Next, continue scrolling until you reach the advanced sensitivity settings. Look for the option labeled Use Advanced Options and toggle it on by pressing the arrow to the right. Make sure to confirm your selection. Next, keep scrolling until you reach Advanced Sensitivity settings. Here you can find the aim assist range options. This setting allows you to adjust how strong the aim assist is. Setting it to 0 completely disables it, while 100 gives you the maximum assistance. I recommend setting it to 100 if you want the strongest aim correction. But if you are too good for aim assist, you can disable it. Before wrapping up, don't forget to press apply to save all your changes, otherwise your tweaks won't take effect. And that's it, quick and easy. If this guide helps, don't forget like and subscribe.